What's going on, my peoples? Back with another video. This time we are coming with a video for all my GROM people, all the people out there with the GROM unit in their vehicle. I don't know why people say vehicle like that, but it is what it is. So I got an email, and this is what the email says. So the email came out from GROM. It says wireless Android Auto released. It's about who knows how late in the game. Wireless Apple CarPlay has been out for forever. So let's go ahead and check out what is. It's been a while since I've done any updates on this. So let's go ahead and see what comes up for the updates on this guy here. So we got two updates. We got the V-Line update and the firmware. First, I'm gonna do this update here. I'm gonna let that download do its thing, and hopefully we don't blow the system up today. It's been pretty stable for as much as I can see, apart from the periodic instances where you're driving and it kind of freezes up or whatever, or you don't see anything on the screen and you have to basically shut the car off and let the unit start back up again. But other than that, it's been pretty good. It serves its purpose. So we'll go ahead and let that download, and once it's ready, we'll get right to it. All right, so we're at 100%. System's restarting. Go ahead and let that do its thing, and hopefully we get a functioning update completed here. All right, so we are back up and running again. So that update is complete. So we're gonna go ahead and check for the firmware update and see if we can get this wireless Android Auto to work. All right, let's go ahead and install that firmware. Yes. All right, so typically what I do for the firmware is it just blacks out. I let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna shut everything off, start it back up. Let's see if we can get the firmware. Okay, we should be up and running now. All right, so we got the firmware updated, and all we got to do now is come here into the Android Auto. You can see here OnePlus 7 Pro. We tap on that to connect, and we should be connecting. So I ended up doing a little bit of research and found out that my phone does not support the Android Auto wireless feature. So even though I got the device updated, it will not connect to my device because it is not supported. So with that said, maybe it is time to purchase a new phone. With that said, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.